it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and today I am going to use that acrylic piece that says At the Lake. It's from Bella Boulevard, and it was like a closeout that I bought. So I think I want to use the craft paper, so I'm just trying to decide what to do. I like the photos on that green paper. The turquoise paper was kind of busy, and then I found this tree paper, and I really like that because you can see the woods in the background of this photo, and we were at a campsite that's nestled in the woods, so I thought that was appropriate both from just a photo context and then a memory context for me. So that craft cardstock is a miscellaneous cardstock. I think I bought it at Michael's. And then that tree paper is from Pebbles Lakeside. It's the summer camp paper, and I love it. It's old, but I loved that collection. And I just showed you that I am using my Tim Holtz Vintage Photo Ink. I finally got my re-inker, so that's working much better. And I'll just add this on. All right, and then I want to make sure, just because that acrylic was such an important piece and part of what drove this layout, that I wanted to make sure that I have enough room to feature it. And then I saw this piece of plaid paper that I really like because it has the green and the blue and some of the, like, it has a creamy color versus the white that's in the trees, but I just thought that would be kind of a nice addition. And just, I'm going to do this so it crosses the outside border. And that plaid paper is the Echo Park Summer Camp collection. It's a summer camp plaid. The green paper is the Echo Park, Summer Adventure. That's a Summer Adventure collection, the summer camp plaid. And then the green paper is also from the Summer Adventure collection, and it's the hike paper. Then I found this journaling card that from Summer Adventure, from the 12 by 12 pad. I'm sure there's a piece of, there's obviously paper it comes from, but I didn't have a single paper that came from the pad. And it has s'mores on it, and that is appropriate to this story. So that's why I'm going to use that on this page. Or appropriate to the memory, not necessarily the particular story I'm writing about, because this is really just a photo of my friend and I in camp that day. So I'll ink everything. That really helps blend collections. It helps things stand out from more busy backgrounds. Obviously, I have a fairly busy background with all those trees. And I'm just sneaking into the shot there so that I can get it lined up. And I've left a little bit of space on the right side and then a little bit more space on the left. One of the reasons that it's nice that I ink these is that the journaling card is really the same color as the green paper behind it, but with the ink you can really see it pop off the background. It's not as easy to see on camera as it is in person. Oh, sorry guys, I had a little yawn there. I should not be yawning. I'm actually, as I am voicing over this, we are basically quarantined in Wisconsin. You can leave your house for emergency things, but nothing else, so I'm not working. I think that's part of it. I'm not used to not working. So doing lots of scrapbooking. All right, so now I want to add something over on that right side. I do have that camp die cut that I like. Besides being at a lake, we were camping. I do like that little camp sticker there, but it felt too big for me. So I went and grabbed the chipboard version of that, and these are also, the die cuts are from the Summer Adventure collection, the frames and tags. The sticker is also from the chipboard accents or not the sticker, the camp thing is from the chipboard accents. That lantern is from the chipboard accents as well, but it's big. It looks too big, especially if you look at it in context of everything else. That tent sticker is from the Pebbles Lakeside accent stickers, so nice that I finally got that on the layout, and I really like how that works with the directional sign. And now I'm looking back at the chipboard from the Summer Adventure collection. I found that one that says snapshots at camp. And so this friend and I very often take photos together like this. So they're not really selfies because we're not by ourselves, but like that. So it's totally appropriate that I'm doing that. The Summer Adventures has a pack of brads. So I'm looking at using some of these. I found a campfire brad to put by the little tent, and then I found a directional sign there. And I had done a previous layout that's in one of my live streams of this as well too. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to just get the brads in. And sometimes I put washi tape on the back of them and sometimes I don't. It just kind of depends on the layout and how they stick out. I don't think I did on this one. They're pretty flat once they're in the book. But if you're worried about it, just pop a little washi tape on the back. And I'm not being very careful because I do have a little foam piece that I can take out and, do the punching into. But no, instead I do it into my good mat, which actually really badly needs to be cleaned. That should go on my list of tasks to do while I am not working at the moment. I have a list that I'm working through. One thing a day, because that will keep me busy. I am probably going to be off work for about 5 weeks total. So I don't want to run out of things to do, right? Because then I just have to scrapbook the whole time. All right. So now I have all of those pieces on, and now it's time for some smaller pieces, and I'm thinking I want to add some wood veneer in. The reason I'm doing that is because this was actually part of the Calvin Ball 2020 challenge, which is over at the end of March, so you guys won't be able to participate, but you can check out the Facebook group. It's a really fun, crazy month where you get prompts to help you scrapbook and things you can add to your layouts, but they change on a daily basis, and it's just crazy, but super, super fun. All right. There we go with the tree. Okay, now I want to add in a little extra texture and smaller pieces there. So those trees, by the way, are from Studio Calico. They came in, they were like a Christmas assortment actually, but they work really handy for camping too. And then the enamel dots there are for from Doodlebug Sprinkles, the blue jean sprinkles. All right, guys, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well. Seriously, hope you're all well. And I'll be back with another video soon. Bye.